Climate change. It's a term we've all heard, but what does it really mean? And why should we care? In this video, we'll dive into the complexities of climate change, its causes, impacts, and most importantly, what we can do about it.
Climate change isn't just a future threat, it's happening now. Extreme weather events like hurricanes, wildfires, and floods are becoming more frequent and severe. These events not only endanger lives but also devastate communities and economies.
One of the most visible signs of climate change is the melting of polar ice caps and rising sea levels. As temperatures rise, glacier and ice sheets are melting at alarming rates, leading to the displacement of coastal communities and threatening biodiversity.
Another consequence of climate change is changing weather patterns, leading to droughts in some regions and heavy rainfall in others. These shifts disrupt agricultural systems, leading to crop failures, food shortages, and economic instability.
Our oceans are also feeling the heat. Rising temperatures and acidification are causing coral reefs to bleach and die, leading to the collapse of marine ecosystems. This not only affects marine life but also millions of people who depend on oceans for food and livelihoods.
Climate change isn't just about the environment, it's also a public health issue. The burning of fossil fuels releases pollutants into the air, leading to respiratory problems, cardiovascular diseases, and premature deaths, especially in urban areas.
Deforestation is another major contributor to climate change. Trees act as carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 from the atmosphere. But when forests are cleared for agriculture, logging, or urban development, this stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, exacerbating global warming.
But it's not all doom and gloom. There is hope. We have the technology and knowledge to combat climate change. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power can significantly reduce our carbon footprint.
We also need to adopt sustainable practices in agriculture, industry, and transportation. Conserving energy, reducing waste, and protecting natural habitats are crucial steps towards mitigating climate change and building a more resilient future.
Addressing climate change requires global cooperation and political will. Governments, businesses, and individuals must work together to implement policies and practices that prioritize the planet and future generations.
In conclusion, climate change is the defining challenge of our time, but it's also an opportunity for positive change. By taking action now, we can protect our planet, preserve biodiversity, and ensure a brighter future for all. Together, we can make a difference.